The benefits of celery for health are undeniable, not simply as a meal complement and adornment. It is known that the diverse nutritional content in it can help to avoid a variety of ailments. Celery also has a number of other advantages that you should be aware of. Celery has a distinct scent and flavor. This vegetable's stems are crisp and sturdy, while the leaves have a distinct aroma and are frequently used as dish decorations. Celery can be used in a variety of recipes, including salads, stir-fries, soups, and fresh vegetables, in addition to being used as a decoration. Apium graveolens vegetables also contain a variety of nutrients that are beneficial to the body's health. Nutritional content of celery. Celery is known as a high-fiber vegetable and is rich in carbohydrates and proteins, which are included in macronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that the body needs in large amounts. Celery also contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and choline, among other vitamins and minerals. Beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and flavonoids are just a few of the antioxidants found in it. Celery has numerous health benefits due to its high nutritional and antioxidant content, including 1. Lower blood pressure. Celery is high in potassium, antioxidants, and phthalate chemicals, which help to relax arterial wall muscles. This impact can smooth out blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Celery is also an excellent vegetable for lowering blood pressure. You can drink it as a juice, eat it as a soup, or eat it as dry vegetable snacks. 2. Control body weight. Celery in the form of food or drink, such as celery juice, can also help you lose weight. Celery, in addition to being low in calories, has a high fiber content, allowing it to keep you satiated for longer. 3. Take care of your heart. One of celery's health benefits is that it helps to keep your heart healthy. This advantage comes from celery's potassium concentration, which helps to maintain normal blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Potassium is also necessary for controlling heartbeat rhythm. Celery also contains fiber and antioxidants that can help decrease cholesterol levels and prevent the creation of blockages or plagues in the heart's blood arteries, atherosclerosis. 4. Maintain your digestive system. Celery is also recognized to be beneficial to the digestive system. Because of its high water and fiber content, it provides several benefits. Celery can help with not only digestion but also constipation. 5. Control blood sugar. Celery, particularly celery juice, can help to regulate blood sugar levels. This is because celery is high in antioxidants, which preserve the pancreas, the organ that produces insulin, and help the insulin hormone control blood sugar levels. Not only that, celery is also found in low glycemic index foods. As a result, celery consumption does not cause blood sugar levels to rise rapidly, making it easier to manage. People with prediabetes can benefit from celery consumption because of this. 6. Streamlining menstruation. Celery is thought to help women deal with the discomfort and flatulence that comes with menstruation. Its mineral composition also helps to relax rigid abdominal muscles during menstruation, preventing abdominal pain and cramps. 7. Reduce the risk of cancer. Celery's high antioxidant content may help to lessen the risk of cancer. The presence of flavonoids and vitamin C can help to prevent damage to body cells caused by free radicals, which can lead to cancer. 8. Healthy eyes. Celery is another vegetable that is beneficial to eye health and function. This is due to celery's high levels of vitamin A and antioxidants like lutein. These nutrients are beneficial for lowering the risk of eye illnesses like cataracts and macular degeneration. You can acquire the benefits of celery leaves by including them in processed meals or beverages like soups, salads, juices, or smoothies. Before consuming celery, make sure it's been washed under running water. This is to avoid contamination from pathogens and other elements that can detract from celery's health advantages. Furthermore, if you have any medical conditions that necessitate dietary restrictions, or if you want to consume celery on a regular basis to prevent or treat a disease, you should visit your doctor beforehand to guarantee its safety. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.